Hello, children. Welcome again to my grammar class. My name is Andani Mittal. In the last session, we saw explanation of our first chapter, that is articles. And today our session is for the exercises related to that chapter. So you please open your textbooks and refer to the exercises. So let's start our exercise. Fill in the blanks with a, an, or the. Put cross where no article is required. So in this exercises, wherever the article is necessary, we have to use it, and where no article is required, we have to put cross over there. So let's start. Our first question is, China is dash Asian country. So Asian country, A is a vowel, so before it we will use N. Okay, so an Asian country. Now next, we shall be back in dash R. So in R, we won't say hover, we say R. So H is silent over here. So our first letter is O. So we will use N over here, N R. And a half. Half means H is consonant. So we have used here a half. Okay, now next. Dash electric iron is used for pressing clothes. So electric iron, E is consonant. So before it we will use an electric iron. Now fourth. Dash Nile is the longest river in the world. So Nile is a particular name of river. So we will use here the river. Now next, he was elected by dash unanimous vote. See, I have told you in last when I explained the chapter article, in that I told you that wherever you or un is used, we will put a over there, because wherever eu sound comes, we use a over there. And because a vote is a singular, only one vote, so we will also use here a. Okay, so he was elected by a unanimous vote. We won't use n over here because here un sound is there. So this is important question for you, tick it. So I will ask you in the test. Okay, dash kangaroo is a marsupial. So first, what is mean by marsupial? It is salt water bodies, mammalians. They live in salt water bodies. Okay, so dash kangaroo or and marsupial means they also have a bag to carry their young ones. So kangaroo has a bag, so it is a marsupial. Dash kangaroo is a dash marsupial. Kangaroo is a particular animal, name of an animal. So we have used here the, and dash marsupial, M is consonant over here. So we have used A. Okay. I understood you are going to marry dash Iris. Here we won't use Iris. It is Iris. So E is a vowel over here. So we use an Iris. I like to give you. So I like to give dash useful presents. See here, presents. It is uncountable. So we will put cross over here. Now next. Dash moon waxes and wanes. Moon is a particular name of a planet. So we will use the moon. Dash pencil. Pencil is countable. So we will use A. Is made of dash piece. Piece means only one piece. So we will use here A of dash wood. We cannot count wood. So cross over here. So a pencil is made of a piece of wood. Pearl is obtained from dash oyster. Oyster is also a particular name, and also it has a vowel before it. So we will use an also, and we can use the also. I would like dash chocolate ice cream. So chocolate ice cream, chocolate is only one. Also it has a C as a consonant. So we'll use a chocolate ice cream. And dash strawberry ice cream. Strawberry as, and it is also a singular. So we will use a strawberry ice cream. Dash tea is dash popular beverage in India. So tea we cannot count, so cross over here. And a popular beverage, only one beverage means, so A over here. So tea is a popular beverage in India. Now next, a baby should not be left alone in the room. See here, baby is only one, also it has consonant, so a baby. And in dash room, so it is a particular part of our house or home, so we have used here the room. Now next, a dash cake is made with dash chocolate, sugar and butter. Cake is a singular, also it has consonant C, so we will use A. And with dash we cannot calculate sugar, chocolate and butter, so we have put here cross. Okay, we have dash orchard. Orchard means like garden. We have dash orchard. O has vowel, and so we will use an over here. With dash apple, orange and guava trees. See, trees we cannot calculate, so we have put cross over here. Now dash street light in dash village is powered by solar energy. See, street light is a particular light known, so the street light. In dash village, the village is powered by dash solar energy. We cannot calculate cannot count solar energy, so we have put cross over here. Okay. So this was our first exercise. Now understood the exercise? So you have to write this exercise in your book one time. Now let's move on to next exercise. Our next exercise is, the articles are missing in this sentence. We have to insert wherever it is necessary. Okay, so let's start. First question, Mahabharat is holy book of Hindus. So here Mahabharat is a particular epic, so we have used the before it. Is dash holy book of holy book. See, particular book, so the holy book of dash, here religion is given, so the Hindus. Okay, religion is a particular religion is given, Hindus, so the Mahabharata is the holy book of Hindus. Now next, Himalayas are highest mountain in world. See, Himalaya is a particular name, so we have used here the in our explanation session. I told you that wherever the particular mountain's name is given, we use the over there. And also I told you that wherever superlative degrees, that is highest degrees, are used, we also use the over there. So the highest mountain in the world, so one of many, so the Himalayas are the highest mountains in the world. Next, we stayed at hotel in center of town. Okay, so we stayed at a hotel. Hotel is a countable and also it has consonant H over there, so we will use a hotel. In center, so here center is a particular part of a town, so we will use the center. And also in the explanation session I told you that whenever the regions part is given, we will use the over there. Like I gave example in the session, the Netherlands means the regions of the Netherlands, so here also the town, because the center of the town is a part of a town, so we will use the over there. So we stayed at a hotel in the center of the town. Now next, umbrella is useful thing. So umbrella has U as a vowel, so we will use an umbrella is a useful thing. Why? Because you have to see the next word. Thing we can count, because it is only one thing. It is told that umbrella is only one, so we will use a over here. And in last exercise there were I want to give useful presents. It was presents, we cannot count it, so we have put cross over there. But in this exercise here, a thing is a countable and it is only given one thing, so we will use a over here. Okay, and it is important you take it, I will ask in exam. Sri Lanka is island in Indian Ocean. So island here, I is vowel, so we will use an island in Indian Ocean. It is a particular name of ocean, so we have used the over here. So Sri Lanka is an island in the Indian Ocean. Now next, proposal was accepted by unanimous vote. So proposal is a particular name, means a proposal, so we have used the over here, was accepted by unanimous. See here un sound comes, so we have used a over here, and also a vote is a singular word, so a. So the proposal was accepted by a unanimous vote. Now next, there is union. See again un sound, so we have used article a of domestic servants nowadays. So there is a union of domestic servants nowadays. Next, he is honor to his profession. See, honor has H silent. So our first letter becomes O. So it's a vowel. So we have used N. N, honor to his profession. Okay. Now, ninth. Honest man is noblest of God. See, honest again has H consonant silent. So our first letter becomes O. So we have used an over here. And noblest, I told you that wherever superlative degree is used, highest degree is used, so we will use the as an article before it. Yamuna is sacred river. So see, river is a countable, and also it has S as consonant, so we will use a sacred river. And Yamuna is a particular name of river, so we have used the Yamuna. Okay, so this our exercise is completed. So now let's move on to other exercise. Now let's start our next exercise. The articles have been removed from the well-known proverbs. We have to find the missing articles. So let's start. The word to wise is sufficient. So word is countable, also singular. So a word. To the wise, here particular manner or a particular quality of a man is given, so we will use the wise. Okay, so a word to the wise is sufficient. Now second, bird in hand is worth two in bush. So bird is countable, also singular, so a over here. Now in two in bush, bush is a particular tree or a part of a tree, so the bush. Okay, apple day keeps doctor away. So apple has a vowel, so we will use an apple, and day is a consonant D, and also a singular day, one day, so a day. And keeps the doctor, see particular profession is given, so the doctor away. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. This is important, I will ask you in exam. Okay, so tick right now. When there is a will, there is a way. Okay, so here when there is will, it is a countable. Will means what we want to do. Okay, so a will, there is a way, here also a will come. So when there is a will, there is a way, one way. Okay, so let's move on to next. Do not look gift horse in mouth. Gift is a singular, also has G consonant, so a gift in the mouth. Mouth is a particular part of our body, so the mouth. Sixth, live as is better than dead lion. So live as. So live as is a singular, also L as consonant. So a live as is better than dead lion. Dead lion is also singular, and also D has consonant. So a dead lion. Now pen is mightier than sword. So pen is a particular name, so the pen is mightier than the sword, because sword is also a particular name, so the sword. So this was our exercise, and before it also there is one exercise in your textbook, but that we will solve when the school reopens it, because it is quite, questions are so big that it cannot be covered in videos. So when school reopens we will solve that exercise. Till then, whatever exercises, 3 exercises we have solved, so that 3 exercises you have to write in your book one time. Fair book. When school reopens, I will ask, or I will take your test of these 3 exercises, and I will check your fair book, and whatever the questions I told you to tick, that you have to tick, so that you can refer it at the time of unit test, monthly test, or exams. Okay, till then, see you. Bye bye. Wait for the next video.